what about using machine learning in testing? A lot of people are asking me about this. Uh, I don't have a problem with using any tool that I understand to do any particular job that I need done, but I don't see a lot of use for machine learning in software testing. And the way that people are suggesting, which somehow seems to be that you provide to a tool a whole bunch of output that you certify as good from your system, and then you just let that system watch the software work and see a lot more output, and then it will automatically identify if anything's wrong. I don't see that as very useful or responsible. It seems to me that there are a lot of things that could get by such a system. So the way that I would think about it is machine learning systems are just like children. That's the way to think about it. Machine learning systems are children. So if you have an 8-year-old child and you are trying to get the 8-year-old child to test software, you can get some value out of that. The child can do some testing. The child will be able to spot some problems. But would you want to rely on the work of an 8-year-old child? Would you want to say that if the only person who looked at your software is an 8-year-old child, that means that that software is good? The thing about children is not that they aren't smart. Children are very smart. It isn't even necessarily that they don't know a lot of things. Children may know a lot of things. Problem with children is that they're unreliable and that they have poor social skills. You can't expect a child to explain himself to you. And that's the same thing with machine learning. Machine learning has poor social skills and can't explain anything to you. So for me, it's a matter of trust. I might apply machine learning to test a certain thing, but I don't think I would trust it, or I wouldn't trust it to do anything particularly difficult.